Everyone, so I wanted to show you this unboxing as well, and this is Eva'S bows and craft supplies, and this is what £27 and 75 pence worth of materials. It's including postage, and I also got a 10% off discount because Holly had shut the website down for a little while while she uploaded all the new stock. So like I said, she gave us a thank you code of 10%, so obviously when we did our orders we could do some other bits and pieces. So let's move my stand out the way. And I've got some fun ribbon in this because I have got velvets and I've got glow in the dark, and I've also got this really pretty silver studded. So I'll show you all of this and this really pretty Christmassy one. This is one of the most unique Christmas ribbons that I've seen this year, and I've got it in 1 inch, 1.5 and 3 inch, as you can see. It's got these cute little dancing gingerbread cookies, ladies and men, and the lollipop and like donut looks with the iced cookies. So like I said, I really like that. I was going to make some Christmas bows in these. I actually trimmed these down, but these had more like tulle behind them. This little set cost me £1.35 for the set, but like I said, it had the tulle bow. Like I said, I've cut them down because I'm working on something. This is actually glow in the dark. I can't really show you at the moment, but I'll try and show you later. And there's two colours, like there's pinky blue and the purpley pink. So I've got that, and I've also got a whole selection of 2-inch velvets. And then as I was stocking up on my bling sliders, I have black bling, red and clear, and these cost me 35 pence each. And I also got some circle ones, and again I got red, black and some clear. So that's what they look like, and the circle ones are 35p each. As you can see, got this really nice silver dotted, and this is 3 inch. So I've got black and white in that, in the silver dots. So like I said, that's going to be fun. And then I've got this one again, and this is another really pretty. I love tartans for Christmas, so I've got this in all the widths as well. And it's just the polar bear with the Merry Christmas and the stags and the Merry Christmas message. So I'm going to play around with that because that's going to be partially like getting the ribbon placement right so that you get the balance of the designs. So like I said, I'm going to play with those as well. And then like I said, this is 2-inch ribbon, and I've got purple and silver there, black and white there, and pink and navy here. So like I said, I've got some nice velvets, and because it's a bit wider, I'm going to play around and do some fun things with that as well. So that's about £30 worth of ribbon from ribbon and supplies from Eva'S bows and craft supplies. So hopefully you found that interesting. Again, I am going to roll all of this as I showed you on my previous unboxing, and yeah, I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.